In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email by country in Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to create a new list. Start by logging into your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Lists and Segments section. You'll find a button labeled Create List. Go ahead and click on that. This should only take about a minute. Now, once you've initiated the creation of a new list, it's time to name your location list. Make sure to give it a highly descriptive name that reflects your target country or region clearly, something like US customers or UK subscribers. This helps keep everything organized and makes it easy for you to manage later on. Once you've decided on a name that suits your needs, click Create List to confirm your choice. With your list ready to go, the next step is to add geo-targeted contacts. Open up your newly created list, and you'll see a button that says Quick Add. Click on that, and you can start typing in the email address of a contact from that specific country. This process is quite straightforward. Once you've typed in the email, simply click Add Profile. It's important to note that you might want to do this in small batches or even one at a time, especially when you're starting out. And here's a pro tip. While this video focuses on manually building country lists, Klaviyo offers some powerful features for automated segmentation. Instead of going through the hassle of sorting profiles one by one, you can utilize Klaviyo's advanced segmentation tools. Think about setting up a segment with a rule that states, properties about someone, country equals United States. You can adjust this for any other country you're targeting too. What's great about this feature is that Klaviyo will automatically pull in relevant subscribers into that group based on their IP address or shipping details. This not only saves you time, but ensures your emails reach the right audience without the manual effort. So, to recap, you start by logging into Klaviyo, create a new list, give it a descriptive name, and then add your contacts either manually or through automated segmentation. This approach allows you to efficiently send targeted emails based on geography. By targeting your emails in this way, you enhance your communication and engagement with your audience, ensuring that your content resonates more effectively with each segment. Remember to check your analytics after sending out these emails too. This will help you track your success and refine your strategy further. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found these steps for sending emails by country in Klaviyo helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you did. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy emailing!